Hello everyone, I'm Meenakshi and today I'm going to explain the present tense. So let's start beginning with present indefinite tense, use of present indefinite, as I have already explained all the rules of present tense. Okay, so let's start with present indefinite. So first it is used with the universal truth. First is point is it is used with the universal truth. For example, the sun rises in the east. Then it is used with the proverbs. For example, honesty is the best policy. So I'm going to write the sentence and will write the uses in the brackets. So let's start. The sun rises in the east. It, it is universal truth. Okay, student? Universal truth it is. So present indefinite tense is used. Now another example is the sun sets in the west. Okay, the sun sets in the west. It is also universal truth. Now honesty is the best policy. Okay, it is proverb. Another example is of proverb is God helps those who help themselves. Okay, now it is also used in quotations. For example, Mahatma Gandhi says, always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. Okay, so it is here it is quotation. And another example is Shakespeare said, all the world is a stage. Johann Keats said that a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Okay, now it is also used in the running commentary. For example, Virat Kohli runs after the ball and catches it. Okay, so it is used in commentary. Okay, students. So this is commentary. Now the another points are present indefinite tense is also used for the habitual action. Okay, habitual action can the for example habits है. For example, I gets up at 5 a.m. I brush my teeth at 5:30 a.m. I go for morning walk at 6:30 a.m. Okay, so the next important point is it is used for the planned future events that are certain. Okay, the examples are for the planned future action. Okay, planned future event. For example, my mother cooks pizza tomorrow on my birthday. Okay, I go for Bombay here I go to Bombay. Here we can write down I go for shopping day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. Okay, so these are the planned future events, students. Okay, the next point is present continuous. Students, in the present continuous tense, it is also known as present progressive tense. Okay, first is MR is used and first form is used with ing. Okay, the uses are It is used with actions going on at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. Examples are Mohan is singing. First Mohan is singing, then Radha is dancing, Anil is playing, okay, and Meera is studying. Okay, we can have a lot of examples. Now there are some categories, there are some actions that are temporary actions, means these actions are going on but not actually at the time of speaking. Okay students, now let's see actions going on but not at the time of speaking, but not at time of speaking. For example, my mother is reading Ramayana these days. I am learning to play guitar these days. Okay students, so these are that actions that are going on but not actually at the time of speaking. Another example here is my sister is reading novel Rich Dad Poor Dad. Okay, the next point is the third point is it is present continuous is also used to describe about the future events that are planned, that are certain and that are sure to happen. For example, the future events for example, my mother is going to Shimla this week. Okay, so this is a definite time period because my mother has already bought tickets for this. So it is a planned action and it is a future event. So we will use here present continuous tense. Another example is I am going to swimming. I am going to learn swimming today. Okay students, it means I have already talked with my guide, okay, and I am today going and this event is sure to happen. Okay, so next point here is that it is also used, present continuous tense is also used to talk about the habits. Okay, in the present indefinite tense we also have talked about the habit, but this is quite different here. In the present continuous tense we generally describe about the new habits and temporary habits. Okay, so temporary habits or new habits, temporary or new habits. For example, he is eating a lot these days. वो नॉर्मली खाना ज़्यादा नहीं खाता है, एवरेज खाता है, बट नाउ दीज डेज आजकल वो ज़्यादा खाना खाता है. नेक्स्ट इज माई ब्रदर इज studying hard for exams. कि normally जब exams नहीं होते then my brother doesn't study so much hard, but now during the examination time he is studying very hard. Okay, so this is used for the temporary and new habits. So that was about the present continuous tense. Now I will talk about the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस के अंदर हम किसका यूज करते हैं? हैज का यूज करेंगे और हम हैव का यूज करेंगे. हैज, हैव विल बी यूज एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विल बी यूज हियर. ओके, सो द यूज आर, it is used about the, so I am going to write the sentence and in the brackets I will write down the use. For example, I have already finished the lunch. I have already finished the lunch. Second is, I have lived here since 2018. Okay, so first sentence is that I have already finished the lunch. It is an action that is just stopped, that is just finished. जो already, जो हमारा काम जो है फिनिश हो चुका है, इसके लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का. ये है हमारा इवेंट जस्ट कंप्लीटेड. इवेंट जस्ट कंप्लीटेड. और second sentence is that sentence, it is used to show that actions that already begin in the past and the effect is still there. means मैं जो है 2018 से वहाँ पर रह रही थी और अभी भी मैं वहीं पर रह रही हूँ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हेयर इज, it is used for the unfinished action. Okay, so unfinished actions मीन्स अनफिनिश्ड एक्शंस के लिए यूज करते हैं हम इसको. अनफिनिश्ड एक्शंस कौन से होते हैं? आई हैव टीच्ड हेयर. आई हैव टॉट, सॉरी, आई हैव थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. आई हैव टॉट देयर since 2019. Okay, so this is unfinished actions and I am also working there. Okay, present perfect tense is also used for the events that are completed and their effect is still present. उन actions के लिए जो हमारे काम ख़त्म हो चुके हैं और उसका effect अभी भी जो है देखा जा सकता है. For example, I have hurt my leg. I have hurt my leg. तो ये जो है कि जो मेरा लेग है वो इंजूर्ड हो चुका है, उसमें चोट लग गई है. उसका अफेक्ट क्या है कि ये चोट तो लग चुकी है बट उसका अफेक्ट क्या है? आई कैन नॉट प्ले. आई कांट प्ले नाउ. आई कांट प्ले नाउ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये था हमारा पास्ट इवेंट जो कि हमारा हो चुका है बट उसका अफेक्ट अभी भी जो है हम रिसेंटली ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो इट इज़ आल्सो यूज्ड फॉर दैट एक्शंस दैट हैव बीन कंप्लीटेड. ये उन एक्शंस के लिए भी यूज होता है जो हमारे एक्शंस हो चुके हैं पास्ट में बट हमें उसका टाइम नहीं पता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, एक्शंस कंप्लीटेड but time is not known. Time is uncertain. For example, my friend has visited Taj 2 times. मीन्स मेरे फ्रेंड जो है ताज गया हुआ है, ताजमहल देखा हुआ है उसने, 2 टाइम्स देखा हुआ है, बट मुझे नहीं पता कि वो कब गया था। ओके स्टूडेंट, तो ये हमारा एक्शंस है जो हो चुका है, बट हमें उसका टाइम का नहीं पता है कब हुआ है। ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ present perfect is also used for the finished action. Finished actions. For example, I have seen movie MS Dhoni 2 times. She has gone to Bombay 4 times. Okay students, so it is used for the finished action. Okay, it is used for the finished action. And now the next point is, it is used to describe about some news, that news or some important event. Okay, event or news recently happened. For example, Prime Minister Modi has given a speech on Man Ki Baat. Okay students, now the CM has announced a scheme for the welfare of girls child. Okay students, so in this, these are the recent happening, or these are the events that are described in the news events. Now the last point is that it is used to describe the events that have just finished. Okay, for example, I have already finished my lunch. Okay, so this event has already happened. It has recently happened, just happened. Now the next point is, my sister has just seen a white pigeon. मीन्स मेरी सिस्टर ने अभी अभी जो है एक वाइट कलर के पिजन को देखा है. ओके, सो दिस इज अ रिसेंट हैपनिंग जो कि वो अभी बता रही है, एंड दैट इट विल बी यूज इन द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ we will discuss about the use of present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous, it is used for describing the events where time expressions is given. For example, I have been living here for 4 years. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो मैं यहाँ पर जो है 4 ईयर्स से रह रही हूँ. मीन्स इसके अंदर जो है हमारे जो है एक्शंस हैं दैट आर अनकम्प्लीटेड. जो एक्शंस जो है अभी एट द टाइम ऑफ जो है जो अभी हो रहे हैं मीन्स, और जो अभी फ्यूचर में भी होंगे. मीन्स मैं अभी भी वहीं पर जो है मैं रह रही हूँ. तो इसके लिए हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस का यूज़ करेंगे। और इसके अंदर जो है सिमिलैरिटी क्या है कि हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का भी यूज़ करते हैं एज वेल एज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस का भी यूज़ करते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो इसके अंदर जो है हमारा नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज टू टॉक अबाउट द एक्शंस हुज इवेंट्स इज स्टिल हेयर, कि उन एक्शंस को जो है डिपिक्ट करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं कि जो जिनका प्रभाव अभी भी है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the grass is wet, the grass is wet, it has been raining, कि जो घास जो है गीली है, क्यों गीली है? बिकॉज इट हैज़ बीन रेनिंग, क्योंकि बारिश हुई होगी। नेक्स्ट इज आई एम टायर्ड बिकॉज सिंस I have been working hard, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करके आया हूँ इसलिए मैं जो हूँ थक गया हूँ। I have been working hard। ओके स्टूडेंट, तो इसके अंदर जो है हमारा यहाँ पर जो है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस का यूज़ हुआ है। और इसका यूज़ जो हुआ है इसके अंदर जो है हमारा फर्स्ट सेक्शन क्या है कि आई एम टायर्ड, कि मैं जो हूँ अभी थका हुआ हूँ। क्यों है? बिकॉज जो है उसने बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड काम, अभी वो मेहनत का काम जो है वो करके आया है। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो दैट वाज द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस। इसके बाद जो है द यूजेस ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट और ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड, और इसके जो है सिंटेक्स आई एम गोइंग टू रिवाइज। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन दिस सिंटेक्स क्या था हमारा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गार्डनर इज watering plants since morning. We can write here since morning. We can write here since 2 o'clock. Okay, we can also write here gardener has been, आएगा students, gardener has been watering plants since morning. Gardener has been watering plants since 2 o'clock, and gardener has been watering plants for 2 hours. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट वाज द सिंटेक्स। इसके अंदर हैज़ बीन जिसके साथ में यूज़ करेंगे हम सिंगुलर के साथ में यूज़ करेंगे, हैव बीन का यूज़ करेंगे हम प्लूरल के साथ में करेंगे, सिंस का यूज़ हम करेंगे विद इनडेफिनिट टाइम पीरियड, सिंस 2 o'clock। और फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैव बीन टीचिंग in the school for 2 years, and I can also say that I have been teaching in this school since 2018. Okay students, so that was the uses of all the present tense, the types of all present tense. Now I think all these are clear to you and you have understood it well. If there is any problem, then you can comment in my video. So thank you and have a good day.